BJ.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a green coloring or slash like green neon coloring tutorial. So here is the coloring, and I made this, so please be sure to give credits to me if you do decide on using it. But yeah, without further ado, we're gonna start. So the first thing you need is you need a QR code. So we're gonna have to search that up. It is the Here's the QR code you're going to need for the coloring. Okay, so after you import the QR code, it should look something like that. And then you're going to go ahead and save it from 24 FPS. Sorry, I couldn't record like the importing part. I don't know, something happened. But next, you are going to go on to, so I will put the link in the description box. And what you're going to do is you're going to click the link. This is for the ultralight. So you're just going to basically click the link, and it's going to bring you to the website, and then it's going to click open this page in ultralight. I was going to say open this page in Europe. Okay, and then you click open, and then it says preset green added. Okay, and then preset, and it should be the first one there along with your other ones. And then you can go ahead and save that to your camera roll. And then you are going to add the second, like you're going to click the second link. And then I am just so smart that I named both of them green. So both of them are named green. And I don't know how you will be able to distinguish them, but they are both named green. So let's just, yes. But you can rename that because I thought I named them green 1, green 2, but I didn't. So yeah. And then you're going to go on to Video Star and import your... So I will show you guys an Android version. I've showed it multiple times, but I'll show it once again. So for Video Star, you're just going to go onto Hue Shift and change it to... I'm going to make it more like turquoise green rather than like neon green, because I just like the turquoise one better. And then you're going to go ahead and click Create. And you can also make this any other color. If you don't want to do green, you can do like any other color. And if you want to make it like change colors, you can also do that. So it's going to look like this, like it's going to be changing colors. Then you're going to go on to Prequel. And for this, I didn't make a link since the settings are pretty easy, but you can make a link for yourself if you want to. And then for the last step, you're going to go on to CapCut, and this is just to make the quality better. So if my CapCut loaded finally. But then you're going to go on to CapCut and click on Adjust, Sharpen, and I'm going to add Sharpen 2 times just because I like quality on my videos, and I like my videos to seem like they have good quality and like aren't blurry or pixelated. You can also add it more than 3 times, more than 2 times, but I feel like 2 is good enough. And here is how it should end up looking at the end. So maybe like you can add Sharpen only 1 time, but I like Sharpen. I love Sharpen, so I add it 2 times. And it also gives this little, like, you see that little white line? Why did I just zoom into her nostrils? But like, let's go on the eyes. You see that like white line on her inner corners that looks like eyeliner? It's the Sharpen effect. And yeah, like you can see it on her pants too. I'm zooming into weird places. Okay, maybe I should stop. But yeah, so I really like how that looks. But yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next time. Bye. 걱정하지 말고